Ayan po, magluluto tayo ng bamboo shoot na may gata, coconut, and shrimp big, and saluyot, water leaves. Okay, yan. Let's go for cooking. Okay. Oh, first, gata. Alright. Second, shrimp. Hey, shrimp. Yan. Okay. Okay. Lagay natin yung bamboo shoot. Put the bamboo shoot. Alright. Okay. Open. Wow, it's boiling. Nice. Put the hot nor cubes to become good. Yes. And also onion. Alright. And good. And put more coconut milk. Alright. Let's go. Nice. Now put saluyot, water, spinach, like that. Yes. And cover. Alright. It's ready, my bamboo shoot with shrimp. Alright, very nice. Yeah. Okay, let's go. Alright. It's ready, my bamboo shoot with shrimp. Alright, very nice. Yeah. Okay, let's go.